Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Project name: Temperature Controller using Microcontroller. Temperature controller using microcontroller by name of the group members: Kiran Abazadov, Suraj Maruti Gule, Yogesh Shivaji Savde. Name of the group members: Kiran Abazadov, Suraj Maruti Gule, Yogesh Shivaji Savde, Shivam Ashok Uike. Guidance name: Gaikwad Preeti, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Diploma, Zil Polytechnic. Content: Introduction, Components, Applications, Circuit diagram. Introduction: Temperature is one of the main parameters to control in most of the manufacturing industries like chemical, food processing, pharmaceuticals, etc. In this kind of industry, some product need the required temperature to be maintained at highest priority. The product will fail, so the temperature controller is most widely used in almost all the industries. The goal of the project is to design and amend temperature measurement and control using the motivation for the project is the fact that temperature measurement has become an integral part of any control system operating in a temperature sensitivity environment and the various learning outcome associated during the implementation of the project. Component: LM35 temperature sensor, ADC microcontroller 8MHz, AC supply, DC fan. Application used to control the temperature used in shopping malls. We can use the concept to control the light intensity. This is the circuit diagram working. The project use a precision centigrade temperature sensor LM35 which is capable of sensing the temperature. It gives the output in millivolt. This output is converted into corresponding digital data using inbuilt ADC of the 8MHz microcontroller. The circuit mainly consists of an 8MHz microcontroller, temperature sensor, DC motor and driver IC. Here temperature sensor is connected and driver IC. Here temperature sensor is connected to the input of ADC pin in ADC0 pin of the microcontroller. Temperature sensor has three input pins: VCC and ground. Middle one is output and the other two pins are grounded, and VCC, VREF and AVCC for the ADC are applied externally to the microcontroller. Pin 20 and 21 are AREF and AVCC pin connected to the supply voltage of the pin.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.